Hey there from Speed Experts. In today's video, we'll guide you through the installation of Techstream software for Toyota and Lexus diagnostics. Let's get started. You can find compatible diagnostic tools like the OpenPort 2.0 and Mongoose J2534 on our website speedexperts.com. You can also download Techstream software for free from our Telegram channel, link in the description. First, disable Windows Defender or any antivirus software to prevent interference with the crack. Don't worry, our files are safe. Open Settings. Go to Update and Security. Then Windows Security. Open the Windows Security and select Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings and disable Real-Time Protection. If you're using a different antivirus, check its settings to temporarily disable protection. Once downloaded, unzip the software. Open the installation file, select your language, and click Next. Accept the license agreement, then enter 123 for both the username and company name. After installation, launch the program and choose your region. Fill company details as 1. Country selection doesn't matter. When it asks for a software key, simply click Cancel. Now go to the Setup menu and select v17.30. Next, install the drivers for your diagnostic tool. You'll find some drivers in the installation folder. For example, I'm using a J2534 tool, so I'll install the driver and select the tool in Techstream. Then close the software. To patch the software, just move the correct shortcut for your system. I'm using 64-bit. Finally, connect your tool to your PC and car, then launch Techstream. That's it. You're ready to diagnose your vehicle. In my case, I'm not connected to a car, so it shows an error. Like this video, subscribe for more guides, and see you in the next one.